Hello everyone, my name is Aina Yadav from class 9D. I am here to explain the most important chapter or a topic is a plant cell. I have drawn this drawing here. Let's see what the drawing is all about. So let's go. Now our first topic is a RER, rough endoplasmic reticulum. What is a rough endoplasmic reticulum? Rough endoplasmic reticulum looks like a sheet can disc of a bumpy membrane which is responsible for making a protein. Now second one is a nucleus. You can see there. What is a nucleus and its function? So the nucleus is a membrane bound organelle that contain a genetic material. Its control and regulate the activities of the cell and carry a genes. Now next one is SER, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum look like a tube. It is responsible for storage and metabolism of a calcium within the cell. Now next is nuclear membrane. And that's it. The nucleus has a double layered covering is called a nuclear membrane. Now next, cytoplasm. A cytoplasm is a thick solution that fills each cell and is enclosed by the cell membrane. It is mainly composed of water, salt and protein. In there, it's called blue solution. Now, next is that chloroplast. So, chromoplast that contain a chlorophyll are called a chloroplast. Now, next, Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus contain of a stack of the membrane-bound vesicle that function in the storage, modification and packing of substances manufactured of the cell. Now, next one is a cell membrane. The cell has a double layered covering is called a cell membrane. Now, next is cell wall. In addition to the plasma membrane, have another rigid outer covering called a cell wall. Now, next is a lysosomes. A lysosome is a membrane-bound cell organelles that contain a digestive enzyme. These enzymes are made by rough endoplasmic reticulum. They break down excess or worn out cell parts. Wall. Now, next is a lysosomes. A lysosome is a membrane-bound cell organelles that contain a digestive enzyme. These enzymes are made by rough endoplasmic reticulum. They break down excess or worn out cell parts. Now, next is a vacuole. Vacuole are a storage sac for solid or liquid contents. Now, next is mitochondria. Mitochondria are the powerhouses of the cell, breaking down fuel molecules and capturing energy in cellular respiration. Now, next and finally, it was the last of the plant cell. It is a chloroplast. Chromoplast. Chromoplasts are a plasticide heterogeneous organelles responsible for pigment synthesis and storage in specific photosynthesis eukaryote cell. Thank you and have a nice day. If you like my explanation, so thank you so much for giving me your time and thank.
Good morning. My name is Sana Vishwakarma and my topic is plastic. Plastic refers to double bound structure present in plant stem. They are also called semi-autonomous and coloring agents of plants. Plastic have three types: first leucoplast, second chloroplast, and third chromoplast. Our first type is leucoplast. Leucoplasts are found in roots and stems. They are colorless and also help in storage of starch. Now our second topic is chromoplast. Chloroplasts are green in color, present in leaves of plants and also help in photosynthetic and it is also known as kitchen cell of plant. Now our third one is chromoplast. Chromoplasts are non-green plants present in fruits, unripened fruits and flowers. They also help in pollination. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. Myself Tasbih Haq from class 9D. So today I am going to explain you about plastid. In plastid I am going to explain you what is plastid, what are the features of plastid and the types of plastid. The firstly question arises that what is plastid? The plastid is a membrane bound organelle found in the cells of plants, algae and some other eukaryotic organisms. They are also considered to be as a intracellular endosymbiotic cyanobacteria. Now, what are the features of plastid? It is also called semi-autonomous organelle, coloring agent of plant, and the plastid are divided into three types. And the three types are first leucoplast, second chloroplast, and the third one is chromoplast. First, leucoplast. It is colorless, it is found in roots and stems, and it helps in storage of starch. Second, chloroplast. It is green in color, it occurs in leaves, and it helps in photosynthesis, which is also called the kitchen of cell. Third, chromoplast. It is non-green in color, it occurs in flowers and unripened fruits, and it helps in pollination. What is pollination? The transfer of pollen grains from anther to stigma is known as pollination. Here you can see a diagram of plastid also. Here you can see outer membrane, intermembrane space, inner membrane, stroma, lumen, lamella, thylakoid, and the granum. At last, I would like to thank my dear friend and my respected ma'am to giving your auspicious time to me and listening me carefully. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Good morning everyone. I am Akhand Pratap Singh of class 9C. I am here to tell you the difference about prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. Here you can see that I have a diagram of prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. The first and the major difference between prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell is that in prokaryotic cell there is no well-defined and membrane-bound nucleus, but in eukaryotic cell there is membrane-bound and well-defined nucleus. In prokaryotic cell, organelles like mitochondria, Golgi apparatus are absent, but in eukaryotic cell, organelles like Golgi apparatus, mitochondria, etc. are present. In prokaryotic cell, there are no membrane-bound organelles, but in eukaryotic cell, there are membrane-bound organelles. Prokaryotic cells are primitive, and eukaryotic cells are complex. Prokaryotic cells are small in size, and eukaryotic cells are larger than prokaryotic cells. Prokaryotic cells are found in bacteria and blue green algae, and eukaryotic cells found in animal and plant. Thank you.